Welcome to another truck hardware installation tutorial. Ford Transits are famous for being multi-purpose vehicles, being used from everything from day-to-day errands, to delivery, to even being renovated into camper vans. Because of this, you may need a little more protection for the components and sensors on your vehicle. Specifically, the backup sensor on the Transit has little protection in the rear bumper, and is left open to taking a beating from rocks and other debris being thrown at it. These new backup sensor guards from Precision Design Engineering prevent this from happening. So let's get started by installing our first backup sensor guard on the driver's side of the vehicle. To start, position the guard like seen here. Ensuring that the bend of the guard lines up flush with the body. As well, make sure it is positioned up against the expansion nut like seen here, and flush with the curve of the body. Once in position, use a marker to mark the location of the 4 holes on the guard. Once the holes are marked, remove the guard and use a 1/8 inch drill bit to drill 4 pilot holes into the vehicle. Now, reposition the guard, making sure to tuck the back edge of the guard up into the rear bumper like seen here. Then secure it in place using 4 sets of stainless steel self-tapping screws and 4 stainless steel washers. Repeat this process for the passenger side of the vehicle. Please note that a slot has been included in this guard to clear the sensor wire on this side of the vehicle. Congratulations! You've just finished installing your rear bumper backup sensor guards. We hope you found this tutorial video helpful. You can purchase these guards on our website as well as in a combo kit with Precision Design's E-Brake guards. Thanks for choosing Truck Hardware.